Hi, it's Mark, and today I'm going to share with you a tool that I think you're going to absolutely love. This is called Leap AI, and what this tool does is it allows you to create a course literally in seconds using AI. Now, why is this important? Because a lot of the tax and accounting practitioners that I work with, you're spending a lot of time on your business, but you also want to have an ability to help educate clients, right? Now, whether you're doing that as free education or whether you're providing that as a paid course or maybe a paid ebook or guide or something like that, that's great, but who really has time to create all of that? So this is where this AI software comes in handy because it allows you to do that in seconds. And today I'm going to show you step by step how to go through it. And we're literally going to create a course in seconds, and I'm going to show you how to do the same thing. So let's go ahead and do this. So this is the main website here. I'm going to go ahead to log in and go to our dashboard here. So it starts very simple because basically what it does is it allows you to create your own learning plan. So I'm going to go ahead, and as you can see here, there's a lot of different components, and just to get get it out of the way, this is actually free to create for your first 2 plans. There's an additional charge for more than that, but I'm using just the free plans, which is more than enough for me. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to create a learning plan. And let's just say we're trying to come up with an education, maybe a course that we're selling for our accounting practice. In this case, let's say we're going to do a course on personal finance. So I'm going to enter in the name of the course that I want to learn. So personal finance. And now you basically tell it the goal of the learning topic, right? So to learn personal finance, let's say including budgeting. Okay, and now, so once I've done that, the cool thing about this is you can actually give it your learning plan level, right? So whether it's introductory, intermediate, comprehensive. Now, if I'm creating this course for my client, maybe I'll start with an introductory course for free, and then I can possibly upsell them to a more intermediate or comprehensive course. And remember, this is going to be created at lightning speed, which you'll see in a second. So you do have an ability to choose which plan level here. Okay. And if you want to create a blank learning plan that where it's basically you're doing everything from scratch, you can do that as well. So we're gonna go all automatic here, and I'm gonna create. I'm gonna click on the next button here. So it fetches topics for the learning plan. Now it uses AI to figure out what core curriculum should be in the personal finance course, right? So it automatically shows key tags here: budgeting, investing, debt management, and then it automatically generates these modules. I didn't do this. AI automatically created this, right? So understanding income and expenses, saving and investing your money, managing and reducing debt, retirement planning and investing, estate planning, right? And maybe if I don't want a particular part, a course or module in this particular course, I can actually uncheck it. So maybe I don't want to include estate planning, right? Maybe I don't want to include, insurance in this, okay? And maybe I also want to add my own topic. Let's just say maybe cryptocurrency basics, okay? So maybe I want to try that. So if I'm going to add in it, I can add in my own module here, okay? So now that this is set up, and again, if you don't have any more topics you want to add, you go ahead and click on next. This is where the magic happens. So it calculates all the information that you just put in there, and now it's going to allow you to create the learning plan. So I'm going to click on create learning plan, and now we are going to watch it go to work. So it says here, creating your learning plan, please wait. And this is actually pretty quick because what's going on in the background, it's using AI to generate the full text on the course and the curriculum that you need to create here. Okay, so it is now done. So let's check it out. So it's called Introduction to Personal Finance, Basic Introduction to Personal Finance and Its Importance. So I'm going to click on this here. Okay, now let's take a look at what it actually created. Now, if you've created any courses before, whether it's, Kajabi or Coursera or any of those other platforms, you'll notice a similar setup, right? So you see the core curriculum here in the sections, right? The different topics. So quite comprehensive here. And then you'll see knowledge checks, resources, Ask AI, which is a feature that's going to be coming soon. And for the person that's using it, they can actually mark whether each of the modules were complete or not as you're going through the course. Okay, so let's start with the first one, types of income. Now, the way that it starts is it automatically generates it, but you have to click on Generate Notes to create the modules. So I'm going to click on Generate Notes here. And it is automatically now generating, using AI, the full curriculum of this first part of the module, types of income, right? So what types of income? Active versus passive income, earned income, investment income. So it is literally typing the course for me, portfolio income. And now it includes a conclusion where it goes into, it summarizes this and finally the key takeaways as well as a quick little summary, and then it re-renders it in a nice clean format, and it's done. Okay. Now, if I wanted to, and I'm just going to kind of minimize this a little bit here. So let's just say maybe I wanted to add some additional information here. Maybe I wanted to add an additional topic. I can go ahead and choose that. I can add my own list. Maybe if I want to throw in like a link or a video, I can add a code and embed maybe a YouTube video for this particular topic that kind of expands or talks along with it. So you have full control over what you want to add to this. Like I said, if I want to add a heading, maybe additional info, so I can add all this real time. Okay. So this is really pretty much it in terms of creating the course, and it does this for each of these topics. And again, let's just choose another one here. Maybe retirement planning, right? So I'm going to go into this part of it, and I'm going to click on this. And now I want it to generate the curriculum for the importance of retirement planning. I'm going to click on Generate. And as you can see here, again, it is generating it real time. And it's great. Some great uses of this, obviously, is for a course, but if you want to actually use this to kind of generate, some blog articles for your site, you can use that as well. So as you can see, it's generating it here. Why is retirement planning important? How to plan for retirement, and how to, key takeaways again. So as you can see here, so imagine, all of these sections here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and even the cryptocurrencies, which I actually added myself here. So let's just see how it does on cryptocurrency. I'm going to click on Generate Notes, and now it is going to give me an introduction on cryptocurrency as it relates to personal finance. What is crypto? How does crypto work? Advantages, disadvantages, even popular cryptocurrencies, and here, how to invest, key takeaways. So again, it creates all of this curriculum automatically for you. So this, like I said, is pretty much it. So now when I go back to modules, I can see that I created a personal finance module, and as you can see here, it's not started. Now the question is, well, I want to get this out. So now what I can do is I can actually share this. So let's just say maybe I created my course, maybe I want to sell it and I want to share it with a particular client or clients. So I can click on the share button here. I can go ahead and type in their email, and then I'll click on share, and that will send them a direct email to this course. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure that it's private, right? Because if it's public, what happens is it'll go to their learning plan database where other folks can actually see the course. So make sure it's private. That way you have full control over who sees that course and when. And after you share, one of the other things you can do is you can actually include links for your site. So you can have where it says links, you click on add URL, and you can add in your personal URLs, maybe your website or additional information. You can add notes to this as well, so you can create notes along with the course, which is pretty cool. You can actually add in additional files to the course as well. So like I said, lots of cool stuff, and to be able at the end of the day to create an entire course in seconds. So whether that's personal finance, maybe bookkeeping 101, QuickBooks, tax planning, so many different things that you can do literally at lightning speed. So anyway, like I said, I'm playing around with this, and this is just the basic plan. Like I said, basically the idea here is you get 2 learning plans per month that you can create for free. So I don't know how many courses you're cranking out per month, but 2 is definitely enough for me. If you want to do a little more, you can do up to 5 learning plans per month, and that is $5 a month, and then 10 learning plans for $10 a month. But even in the free plan, you get the knowledge base, you can explore public learning plans, and most importantly, you can actually share your private plans with other folks, prospects, and clients, which I love. Okay, so this is really it in a nutshell. I'm going to leave the link in the notes below. And lastly, if you like videos like this, if you want to see more, I encourage you to join my free daily newsletter, Accountants in Front of AI, where we help you learn to build highly profitable practices using AI. You get the latest daily news, analysis, in-depth videos and research on stuff like this. Okay? Well, thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.